Hello, my beautiful wildflowers. How are you today? Alexis here, Haute Modesty. Today, I have my Chic box, and I think it's going to be a good one. So if you're interested in seeing what's inside, please stay tuned. Okay, my beautiful wildflowers, how you guys been doing? I know it's been like really crazy with the sales out there, right? As far as the makeup and everything. I mean, I'm like totally blown away by it. Sephora spring sale. I mean, every makeup company has their own sale and everything else, and a box keep coming. And so, but today what I want to do is share my Chic box with you. And guess what? This is the first time ever since I started ordering this box that I was able to make my choice. Because I finally wrote to them and said, hey guys, when do you guys make choice? Because I don't get notices, and by the time I get it, it's like your box is coming. I'm like, okay, but I didn't get to pick anything. And so I think that happened for like 4 or 5 boxes, and then I'm like, okay, fine, never mind. I'm going to contact them and finally find out. So I found out it's 15th of the month. And so, and you know, and then it's every other month, right? So it's $34.95 every other month. And so I think I just made a choice last month, so it will be next month. It won't be this month. And so I have to remember that. And so it's every other month, and it's a great deal. And so let's get started opening this box. And the thing I like about this box is that it has really good brands. And, you know, it's like, I'm really not crazy about boxes that have like brands I've never heard of. And, you know, things that, I don't know, I mean, made in places that I don't want to be, you know, using makeup made in. And so this is, you know, this is actually pretty good. Okay, so it opens like this, and it is a tiny box, but I mean, it's definitely has things in here that's worth it. And so it comes like this, like every other subscription box. It says Chic Beauty Box, and it says Chic Beauty, and I believe this company comes out of Canada because it does come international. So yeah, and that's that. And it only has like 2 variations every month, and so you have to pick what you want. And I know this month they had Urban Decay, that I think Heat palette, was it? Yeah, Naked Heat. Yeah, it was. And I already own that one, so I really didn't want it. But there's a lot of people that were upset that they couldn't get it because I guess it really sold out really fast. So yeah, I don't know. Okay, so let's see. Let's get started. Yeah, Nars I think is what I chose, and I did. And here is the first Nars here, and I believe this is the Nars Velvet Matte Lip Pencil, and this is $27. And let's see, and I think that's what this is. I'm saying it is, but oh no, it's a what is this? Okay, it is a velvet matte. You know, it is lip pencil. How come it's this color? I didn't realize. I didn't pick you don't pick the shade. So yeah, it's called Lonely Heart, and it's kind of like a brownie, you know, brown. Well, this is like eyeshadow. That's really brown for lip pencil. Okay, but that's okay because I do enjoy their lip pencils. And are they? Nope, this is a sharpening kind. So that's that. Very interesting. Yeah, that's very dark, but that's okay. I'll go ahead and, yeah, I'll put this aside. And let's see, that is retails for $27. And next, I have what is called a Galaxy Luminaire Holographic Highlighter. And this retails for $9.99. And, yeah, I'm not really big on these kind of stick highlighters, so I'm probably going to go ahead and put this in the giveaways. And yeah, that's that. And next, I have a, this is Moisture Lock Lip Treatment. Very interesting. Yeah, this is kind of weird. Yeah, it's L'Oreal Infallible Galaxy Luminaire Stick. It retails for $9.99. And here it is. You know what? This is kind of weird. It's not following the like the choices. So, okay. I'm a little confused, but that's okay. And next, let's see, is the Rodin Luxury Lipstick. Is that right? Yeah, luxury lipstick. And this is weird because the other one is Rodin Luxury Face Oil, but this is the lipstick. So let's see what... Yep, it retails for $38. Better be a pretty good lipstick. Yeah, you know what? I think I should have picked the other box because there's like really hardly anything in there. Okay, here it is. And, ooh, that's bright. So I'm not going to, I don't think I'm going to swatch this because I will go ahead and put this in a future giveaway. Okay. And the last thing in my box is by Nars. It's called Studio 54. Here it is. And I believe this is a eyeshadow palette. And this is a Nars 54 Hyped eyeshadow palette. And it retails for $59. Okay. And then the other option would have been a $52 Nars 7 Deadly Scents lipstick palette. And I don't like paletted lipstick. Okay, now I can't get into it. Here we go. And so that's that. Okay. Woo! Wow. Very nice. Very aesthetically pleasing. I love Nars eyeshadow, and I did choose this. This is the one I chose. Oh, wow. Okay, very pretty. Very, very pretty. Yeah, I'm not hating it at all. Beautiful aesthetics, and look at this color story. Oh my gosh, look at this color up here. That reminds me of an orchid. So beautiful. Yeah, okay. Beautiful. Okay, that's all that's in my box. So, usually I get a lot more, but let's see. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 things in my box. Well, I guess that's about right? But if I just feel like something is missing, but no, okay. Yeah. So what do you think? I mean, for me, $34.99, it was worth it because just the palette alone, I mean, you're going to pay $59 for it, right? And so you also had a lipstick that was $38, and you had a couple of things, $9.99, $9.99, and then I had another Nars lipstick that is $27. So it's well worth it. So yeah, great. So what did you think? Do you guys get the Chic box? And, you know, if not, I mean, and you're interested, I'll go ahead and see if I can find a link to this. And I'm sure I will. And I'll go ahead and put it below, okay? So look in the details. Yeah, so my beautiful wildflowers, I hope you guys are doing good. I wanted this to be really quick. So that way you can just, you know, start your day or end your day. Okay, so please have a good day, good night, good week, good weekend, whenever you're watching this. But remember, never sweat the small stuff. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.